Alrighty everybody, welcome back to another kit lineup video. I'm here today to do my February kit lineup, and then I am going to go back and show you my finalized January. I feel like I do this quite a bit, and it'll probably happen in March as well because I don't even know what I'm using in March yet. But I have to show you a couple months at a time because I'm always lost in the sauce. Thank goodness that I do. Playing with me is so far behind because otherwise it would be a mess. So I am going to start with January just real quickly. We'll briefly go back on what I plan to use because I did get some things in, and then we'll go into February. January 2nd through the 8th, I've shown you I am using the Midnight Kit from Scribble Prints Co. with the hot gold and gold mixed metal, shimmer mixed metal from SPC. I do have a code with Scribble Prints Co. You can use the code Kirsten10 to save 10%. I just really wanted to use the hot gold and gold, and I feel like this would be a really good kit to do this with. You could totally use champagne lights. You could totally use, I really feel like rose gold, copper maybe even would be cute with this. I just really wanted to bring in that hot gold. So I don't have any underlays or anything for that, but that foil bundle does have this shimmer underlays. So looking forward to using that. January 9th through the 15th, I am still, none of my kits are changing for January. I really like them all. This is the Crest Press October Mystery and Snowbound. I was very obsessed with this. I especially just really like the scenes. With this kit, I think I did show you that I am using the Crest Press Snowflakes in Sparkly Hollow. I believe this came with it. But I did just get some Planahanna underlays. I also do have a code of Planahanna. If you use the code Fantasy15, you save 15% plus get my freebie. Or you can just put my name in the notes and still get my freebie. But I recently got her birch underlays in navy, which I think is actually going to look really cool and be a really cool contrast with this Sparkly Hollow, and then I think mixed in with the other navies of this kit. I also just really wanted to use her new navy foil because I was kind of obsessed with that. So that is going to be January 9th through the 15th. 16th through the 22nd, I am still using the Frozen Woods kit from SPC. This kit is just, I love this. Like I said before, I used Golden Woods in September maybe. So if Kitnish Jess wants to do a spring and summer version, I'll probably use them because they're just so pretty. So I still am using Frozen Woods. I'm still using that with the SPC. I have two of them because I wanted to use both. This is the Celestial Periwinkle. I love this periwinkle color. I feel like it's really pretty and I think it really blends well with this. I also did get Planahanna underlays and Jack Frost in her lavender. I think the mix of the periwinkle and the lavender is going to be an interesting combo. It looks a little weird together right now, but I think blended it's going to be great. I also feel like you could have totally brought in the navy with this kit too, but I really wanted to use the lavender, and I just love the snowflakes. I just think it's so pretty. I almost bought butterflies again because I was real thinking about it. January 23rd through the 29th, I'm still using the Frosty kit from Scribble Prints Co. This one is so cute. Possibly one of my favorite winter arts ever. I love it so much. And I think I showed this already, but I am using the Planahanna Scribble Prints Co. collab in her Pixie Hollow. It's a pretty snowflake. I love these underlays so much. And this is just I just think this is going to be a great combo together. So that's what I'm doing for January 23rd through the 29th. And then the last week of January, January 30th through February 5th, I'm still using the Crest Press July Mystery and Moonchild. I just really wanted to use a Celestial kit, and I feel like it's really pretty in the colors. Plus it's a good segue into February because you have this box here. I'm kind of obsessed. I think I had all of this already pulled, so that's great. I have a Crest Press foil bundle in her Celestial Sparkly Hollow, Planahanna underlays in Sparkle in her dark purple. I think I already had all that pulled out already, but just for reference. So now let's actually get into February. So I'm not gonna lie, I have not been into any Valentine's Day kits this year. I'm only using two, and that's kind of a bummer for me because I do really love Valentine's Day, but it's all good. I feel a sneeze coming on. Give me 1 second. I felt that sneeze come on and I still kind of feel it, but whew, I did not sneeze. Anyway, so February 6th to the 12th, I am using the Star-Crossed kit from SPC. Here, I'll move this off to the side. SPC, I'm kind of obsessed with this. I love this art. It's very soft, very pretty, and I really like it a lot. I showed this in my haul. So with this kit, I really wanted to use Champagne Lights. So I do have the gold Champagne Lights shimmer foil bundle from SPC. I feel like this is really pretty. I think the only other Champagne Lights options were Park Hopper and maybe Tropical. And I was like, no. So I'm gonna use the shimmer. I think that's really pretty, and I think that combo is really nice. But I do have the XOXO underlays from Planet Hannah in her like pixie gold, which I think is gonna complement this very well. I love how like concise it is. You really can't see the XOXO on camera, but like, oh my god, that foil is so pretty. But yeah, I think this is actually gonna be a really great combo. I'm really obsessed with this. I can't wait to use this. So that's gonna be February 6th through the 12th. And then February 13th to the 19th is my daughter's birthday, and she chose a cherry kit because this girl is obsessed with cherries, and that's a-okay with me. So, oh god, I have so much with this one. So this is the Caress Press December Mystery, which is called Cherry Bomb. I'll move the 15mm strip so you can actually see the foil boxes, or the full boxes here. But I feel like this is super cute. It's like an ice cream shop, super cherry, a little bit birthday themed because there is like the cake there, which is kind of nice. So she chose this kit for her birthday. Gosh, I'm sorry, I'm like struggling. So with this, Andrea actually did make me some custom kid boxes, which is, I feel like happens every year, which is kind of nice. So I get to choose between these two, and I'm having a struggle bus trying to think about which one I want to choose because they're both so dang cute. So I have those extra boxes. I am using the new SPC new confetti foil bundles. I'm obsessed with these. I actually almost pulled either the dark green or the sparkly green, but then I realized there's no green in this kit. Like, it's just blues and pinks, and I was like, that would be weird. So this is the sparkly red, and I feel like this is a good choice. So I have that confetti foil bundle. I have 2 of the Cherry 1 underlays in pixie red from Planet Hannah. I also have her pixie red cherry washi, as well as the headers. Now, will I use these on every header? Maybe. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. But yeah, so that's Avery's birthday week. I think it's actually going to be super, just a cherry bomb, essentially, and it's going to be really cute. So that is for the week of February 13th through the 19th. And then February 20th through the 26th, I'm using my other Valentine's Day kit, which is Pillow Talk from Scribble Prints Co. I love the purples and the pinks, and I think this is just like a, I don't know, I really love this colorway. I think it's really pretty. So that is my other like Valentine's Day kit. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm sick, and it sucks. I'm again using another one of the new confetti foil bundles. This one is in Malibu. You could have used any of the magentas. Magenta Hollow, Sparkly Magenta. Oh, what's the other one? Oh no, and then this one, Malibu. Like, I think the 2 magentas and Malibu would have been your best options, but I specifically chose Malibu because I wanted to use the Valentine Malibu bougie boxes. These Valentine bougie boxes are the cutest things on the planet, and I really wanted to use them, so I pulled that in with that foil bundle, and that'll be for the Pillow Talk kit. I think it's a good combo. I'm really looking forward to using it. So that is February 20th through the 26th. And then last but not least, February 27th through March 5th, I just slotted this in because I wanted to use it as soon as possible. This is the SPC February Mystery. It is a book theme. It is so cute. I actually also feel like this is a great transition because there's only 2 days of February in this week, and then we go into March. And this gives me heavy March vibes. It's definitely the green, but there is a shimmer matte bronze foil bundle as well as some book washi and overlays and stuff in here, which is awesome. So I'm so excited to be using this kit for that week. So quickly, I'll just show you the few kits I have for February 6th through 12th, Star-Crossed, Champagne Lights and Gold. February 13th through 19th, Cherry Bomb. The 20th through the 26th, Pillow Talk with the Malibu foil. And then the 27th through the 5th, I have the February Mystery with the matte bronze. So that is going to be it for my February lineup. I'm very excited about all of this. I really have to start buckling down on March. I've kind of thought about it, but I'm not like happy with my decisions quite yet. So we'll get there when we get there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.